In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean up the chart of accounts in QuickBooks Online. If your chart of accounts has gotten cluttered over time, this is a great way to make your books easier to manage without disrupting your historical records. The goal here is to identify accounts you no longer need, make sure they are not still holding a balance, and then inactivate them so they stop appearing in your active lists. To get started, log into QuickBooks Online and go to the dashboard. From there, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is where many of your company management tools are located. Once the menu opens, look under the section labeled Your Company and click on Chart of Accounts. This will open the full list of accounts currently used in your business file. Take your time here and scan through the list carefully. You're looking for duplicate account names, categories that are very similar and may have been created by mistake, or older bank feed accounts that are no longer in use. Cleaning these up can make reporting much more accurate and easier to read. As you review the accounts, check whether any of the unwanted ones still carry an active balance. This part is important because if an account still has money in it, you should not inactivate it until that balance has been addressed properly. If the balance is not zero, clear out any remaining amount first. You can do this either with a journal entry or by recategorizing expenses, depending on how the account was used and what makes sense for your bookkeeping. The key is to make sure the account is fully cleared before moving forward. After the balance has been reduced to zero, go back to the account you want to remove from active use. Click the drop-down arrow next to that account name to open the available actions. From the menu, select Make Inactive. This removes the account from your active selection lists, which helps keep your books cleaner and more organized, while still preserving any past transactions and reports tied to that account. That's the main benefit of making an account inactive instead of deleting it. Your historical data stays intact, but your day-to-day bookkeeping becomes much simpler. As a final tip, move slowly and double-check each account before inactivating it, especially if the name is similar to another account you still need. A careful cleanup now can save you a lot of confusion later and leave your QuickBooks file much easier to work with.